Hello everyone. In previous class, we discussed exercise 3.2. So, before moving to exercise 3.3, today we will discuss different types of quadrilaterals. So, here there are different types of quadrilaterals. First one is parallelogram. So, this is the parallelogram, and a parallelogram is also a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral means here there are four sides 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, a quadrilateral with each pair of opposite sides parallel. Here, opposite a quadrilateral where opposite sides are parallel. So here, AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD, and this BC is parallel to AD. Therefore, what I have given in definition? A quadrilateral. There are four sides. A quadrilateral with each pair of opposite sides parallel. Here, pair of sides are opposite sides are parallel to each other. AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. Therefore, this is the parallelogram. And now we will see properties of parallelogram. There are mainly three properties of parallelogram. First one is opposite sides are equal. Here, opposite sides means AB is equals to CD. These are the opposite sides. These two sides are equal to each other. AB is equals to CD. And again, BC is equals to AB. BC equals to, here opposite sides are equal to each other and opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles means here this is the angle BAB equals to opposite angle is this one, means BCD. These two are opposite angles. Angle DAB equals to angle BCD. These two angles are equal to each other. Like that only, angle ABC, this angle equals to angle ADC. So here, opposite sides are equal to each other. This angle is equal to this angle, and this only this equals to this angle. Next one, diagonals bisect one another. So these are the diagonals which are connecting non-consecutive vertices, and these two diagonals are intersecting at a point O. So what is the property? Diagonals bisect one another. Bisect means here this OC is equals to OA, because this diagonal BD bisect. So if it bisect diagonal AC, this part of the diagonal OC is equals to diagonal OA. So OC is equals to OA. Like this only, this AC diagonal bisects the diagonal BD. Therefore, OD is equals to OB. Okay. So these are the three important properties of parallelogram. What is parallelogram? Parallelogram is a quadrilateral with each pair of opposite sides are parallel. Here, opposite sides are parallel to each other. So here, what are the three important properties? Opposite sides are equal. Here, opposite sides are equal to each other. This AB is equals to CD and BC is equals to AD. Like that only, opposite angles are equal. Here, this angle equals to this sum, and this angle is equals to this angle. Like this, diagonals bisect one another. Here OC is equals to OA and OD is equals to OP. This is about parallelogram. Now we will discuss about rhombus. So a parallelogram, rhombus is also a parallelogram. This is also a parallelogram with sides of equal length. This is also a parallelogram with sides of equal length. Means what is the difference between parallelogram and rhombus? Here only opposite sides are equal. Okay, but here in rhombus all the sides are equal to each other. So rhombus means this is a parallelogram where sides of equal length, where all the sides of equal length. Here all the sides are equal here. Right. So now we will see properties of rhombus. First one is all the properties of parallelogram. So it has the all the properties of parallelogram. Means here first one, opposite sides are equal, but here only the difference is here all the sides are equal to each other. And next one, opposite angles are equal. These angles are equal to each other. Okay, and diagonals bisect one another. So these diagonals, suppose for example consider this is the diagonal BR and this is the diagonal QS and intersecting at a point O. So diagonals bisect one another means here OR is equals to OP and OS is equals to OQ. Right. So now second one. What is the second property here? Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Here, these diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Here, this is 90 degree. Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Here, this SQ diagonal will be perpendicular to PR. So here it is perpendicular, means 90 degree. So this is about rhombus. So first one is parallelogram where opposite sides are parallel to each other, and important properties are it has opposite sides here in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal and diagonals bisect one another, and rhombus means this is also parallelogram but here all the sides are equal in length. Therefore, it has the properties of parallelogram, and another property is diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Here diagonals, these two diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Okay. Now I will discuss about rectangle. So now I will discuss about rectangle and square. So here rectangle means this is also a parallelogram with right angle. Here all the angles are right angle, means here all the angles are equal to how much? 90 degree only. So this is also a parallelogram where all the angles are right angles. Okay, and here properties of rectangles. It has all the properties of parallelogram. All the properties of parallelogram means opposite sides are equal to one another. So here AB is equals to CD and AD is equals to BC. Opposite sides are equal to each other and opposite angles are equal to each other. This angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. And third property of parallelogram is here diagonals bisect each other. Means if these are the diagonals AC and BD intersect at a point O, these diagonals AC and BD bisect one another means, so here BD intersect or bisect AC in such a way that OC is equal to OC is equal to OA and OD is equal to OB. So next, second property, all the angles are right angle only. Here all the angles are 90 degree. Therefore all the angles are right angle only. So next, third one, diagonals are equal. Here these diagonals AC is equal to BD. Diagonals are equal to each other. AC is equal to BD. So these are the properties of rectangle. Okay, and next one is square. Square is a rectangle. It is also a rectangle where all the sides, where it has the all the sides of equal length. Only the difference between rectangle and square is here all the sides are equal to each other. Here only opposite sides are equal, but here all the sides are equal to each other. These all sides are equal to each other. Therefore, it is called as square. Next, what is the property here? All the properties of parallelogram, rhombus, and rectangle. Okay. What are the properties? Here, opposite sides are equal to each other, and here, not only opposite sides, but all the sides are equal to each other here. Therefore, it is called as square. And second property, opposite angles are equal to each other. Angle P is equal to angle R. Like this, angle Q is equal to angle S. Opposite angles are equal to each other. And diagonals bisect each other. Suppose these are the diagonals PR and QS. Here OR is equal to OP and OS is equal to OQ. Diagonals bisect each other. And diagonals are perpendicular to each other. This is the property of rhombus. What is that? Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Here these diagonals are diagonal PR is perpendicular to diagonal QS is perpendicular to PR and PR is perpendicular to SQ. Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Next, what is the property of parallelogram? What it has? All the angles are right angle only. Here, all these angles are right angle only. Means 90 degree only. And diagonals are equal. This is the property of rectangle. Diagonals are equal. These two diagonals, PR and QS, are equal to each other. See here again, square is the rectangle where all the sides are equal to each other, and the property of rectangle is here it has all the property of parallelogram, rhombus, and rectangle. Here, like parallelogram, here all the sides are equal to each other, but in parallelogram only opposite sides are equal, but here all the sides are equal to each other. This is the only difference. And like parallelogram only, here opposite angles are equal to each other. Here also 90 degree, this is also 90, and this is also 90 degree, this is also 90. And diagonals bisect one another. So here OR is equal to OP, like that only OS is equal to OQ. Next, it has the property of rhombus also. Rhombus means diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So these diagonals are PQ and SQ are perpendicular to each other. Next property, it has property of rectangle also. Here all the angles are right angles. Here all these angles are right angles only. Means 90 degree. And diagonals are equal. These two diagonals, PR and SQ, are equal to each other. Now I will discuss next one, kite. So here, kite. Kite means this is also a quadrilateral with exactly two pairs of equal consecutive sides. Here, this quadrilateral means kite has two pairs of consecutive sides, equal consecutive sides. Here, two pairs means BC is equals to CD. These are consecutive. B to C, C to D means consecutive, continuous. So, BC is equals to CD, and here AB is equals to AD. This is also consecutive and equal to each other. AB is equals to AD. Therefore, a quadrilateral kite is a quadrilateral with exactly two pairs. These are two pairs of equal consecutive sides. Equal, and these are consecutive also, means continuous. BC and CD equal to each other, like that only. AB, AD equal to each other. So, kite is a quadrilateral with two pairs of equal consecutive sides. So, now we will see properties of kite. Okay. So, first property is the diagonals are perpendicular to one another. Suppose, for example, here I will draw two diagonals AC and BD. These two diagonals are intersecting at a point O. So the property is the diagonals are perpendicular to one another. Here, these two diagonals, diagonal AC and diagonal BD, are perpendicular to one another. Here, this is also perpendicular. Here, this BD is perpendicular to AC, like that only. Here, angle, here all the angles are 90 degree only. Therefore, AC is perpendicular to BD, and like that only BD is perpendicular to AC. Therefore, the diagonals are perpendicular to one another. And second property is one of the diagonal bisects the other. One of the diagonal here, in these two diagonals, one of the diagonal bisects the other. Here in this example, one of the diagonal bisects the other. Here, this diagonal AC is bisecting BD. So here, OB is equals to OD. OB is equals to OD. Here in this diagonal BD, this is diagonal BD is bisected by AC. Okay, therefore OB is equals to OD. So here one of the diagonal means this diagonal AC is bisecting diagonal BD. But here OA is not equal to OC because OC is larger than OA. Therefore, one of the diagonal means AC is bisecting BD. Next property, in the figure, angle B is equal to angle D. This angle B is equal to angle D always. But this will be not equal to each other. Angle A is not equal to angle C. So these are the properties of kite. Now, what are the different types of quadrilaterals we have discussed now? First one is parallelogram. Parallelogram means here it has opposites. Here opposite sides are parallel. These sides are parallel to each other. Therefore, it is called as parallelogram. And what are the properties of parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal. These opposite sides are equal, and opposite angles are equal. This angle is equal to, suppose, for example, consider A, B, C, D. angle B is equal to angle D, and angle C is equal to angle A. Okay, and the third property of parallelogram, what is that? Diagonals bisect one another. So here these diagonals bisect one another. And second one, rhombus. What is the difference between parallelogram and rhombus? Here in rhombus all the sides are equal, but in parallelogram only opposite sides are equal, but here all the sides are equal. And here also opposite angles are equal to each other, opposite angles are equal to each other, and diagonals bisect one another. And another important property of rhombus is, here diagonals are perpendicular to each other. These two diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Okay. And next one is parallelogram. Here this is a rectangle. Rectangle is also a parallelogram, but here all the angles are 90 degree. These all angles are 90 degree, and it has property of parallelogram only. Here also opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal, and diagonals bisect one another. And another important property of rectangle is, here all the angles are 90 degree only. And next one is square. Here what is the difference between rectangle and square? Here in square all the sides are equal to each other, but here in rectangle only opposite sides are equal, but here all the sides are equal to each other. Next, again here also opposite angles are equal to each other, and diagonals bisect one another, and one diagonal is perpendicular to another diagonal. And here also all the angles are right angles only, 90 degree only. So these are the properties of first four quadrilaterals. And last one is kite. Here it has two pairs of equal consecutive sides. Here equal consecutive sides means BC is equals to CD, and like that only AB is equal to AD. These two sides are, pairs of sides are equal and consecutive. Consecutive means continuous. And properties of kites are, the diagonals are perpendicular to one another. Here these two diagonals are perpendicular to one another, and one of the diagonal bisect the other. Here one of the diagonal bisect the other means, here in this example AC is bisecting BD, therefore OD is equal to OB. Therefore AC is bisecting diagonal BD, and in this figure angle A is equal to C, but angle B is not, angle B is equal to angle D, but angle A is not equal to angle C. Okay, I hope you all are clear with different types of quadrilaterals and properties of quadrilaterals. In next class I will continue with exercise 3.3. okay, thank you all.